Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick little video just wishing everybody Happy New Year's. I got some sparkling wine here. I got some pasta with clams and scallops, and yeah, if you like this video, if you like me, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So yes, what did everybody do for New Year's? What do you guys normally do? I never go anywhere for New Year's Eve. Never. Let me just take a bite. So I made this with garlic, olive oil. So it's like an aglio olio, chili peppers, and fresh diced tomatoes at the end with chopped parsley, clams, and scallops. That's it. And these are linguine noodles. I don't know about you guys, but traditionally, we used to do seafood on New Year's. Yeah. Comment down below how you like this new setup. I am getting new equipment like lighting and stuff like that, so let's hope that works. Sometimes the simplest pastas are so good. And this is sparkling wine. I know this isn't a normal glass for wine, but I needed a big one because I'm going to choke it. Yeah, so I normally don't go out for New Year's Eve. Every year my dad invites us to go over, but just after the holidays and running around and visiting and the chaos, I need a night off. So I usually order in. Or sometimes we will go out just for dinner, but it's usually too packed, and that I get a lot of anxiety. When places are busy and stuff. So that's a scallop. Let's try this clams. I love me some clams. I don't like this fork. This wooden fork is garbage. It's nice because it doesn't make sounds on the dish, but not really good for pasta. And that's why I have the spoon. I normally just friggin' twirl it, but you can't even do that. And I'm not going to go downstairs to get a friggin' fork. I am so ready for 2019. I don't know about you guys. I had a crappy 2018. I mean, I'm healthy. My family's healthy. Which is good. And I'm grateful for that. It was a really hard year for me. So I'm over it. I'm looking forward to 2019. Moving forward, right? I appreciate I'm gonna move this back because I don't know if you can see it, but this is a pretty clean pasta dish. It's not much ingredients to it, and it's so easy. And this is linguine noodles, not noodles, pasta. What was he saying? I want to say thank you to all the feedback that I'm getting. Like, if you guys don't like the angles or the lighting, I'm working on that. Like, I'm trying to I think this is going to be my permanent setup. So that's good. I'm not sitting in an awkward position anymore, which is awesome, like on the floor or anything. Excuse me. And it's just quieter. It's away from the kitchen. It's away from all the noise and fuss. Yeah, so that. And then, yeah, I am getting lighting, so I'm going to be trying that out. And we'll see. Nobody in my house would eat this. They don't like seafood. You know, pasta, I really don't eat this much pasta. I've been eating more pasta on my channel because a lot of people like it. And I make good pasta. I like my pasta. So I have been making it a lot. But pasta is kind of like rice, where it's so diverse and you can add do so many different things. It's weird because I'm on the second floor of my house. And I like that it's nighttime now. Or it's dark out, not night, like evening time. And I like this because there's a window right here. So I'm hoping that also helps with the lighting. Whereas before, I didn't have very many windows where I was filming. So I'm hoping that helps. But now, people can see me. That's okay. So that's one thing that I like about pasta. It's so diverse. Same with rice. Now, my husband is Iranian, and they eat a lot of rice. But they eat rice like all the time. But they just put different, like Indian, like different curries or different stews or whatever on the rice. So you can do whatever you want, and it's just like, but it's carbs. So I'm filming this on, I have no idea what day it is, Sunday. So this one's going to be probably posted on New Year's Day. My excuse to drink some sparkling wine. But tomorrow night is New Year's Eve. And I decided to order in. That one, I need more of that. Excuse me. So I decided to order in because I just can't be bothered cooking tomorrow night. I have to work. So, yeah. So I have to work. But what I'm ordering is chicken parmesan, a lasagna. Now, this lasagna is not any crappy lasagna. This is like like, I live in a heavily populated Italian area, so it's authentic, like there's no difference if I make it or this person or this restaurant makes it. It's so good. So at least I don't have to, but it's expensive. Like, oh. And then I'm just going to make a salad, and I think they have roasted potatoes with that. It's just going to be low key with the children's. I love scallops so much. I was craving clams, so I decided to buy clams for this. I wasn't going to film today, and then I forgot I had these and I had to use them. I got them yesterday. I mean, they're fine, but I didn't want to forget because I'm not going to be eating tomorrow. We're ordering, as I said. So I'm like, I'm going to film today. I have tried to watch Bird Box now 5 times. It is so good from what I've watched. I can't stay awake. I don't know if you guys are like this, but I love watching movies. My husband can't stand watching movies with me anymore. Because, not anymore, I've always been like this. I can't sit still. I get up, I do something, sit down. Because if I'm if it's a movie that, I don't know, I get up, I sit down, I get up, I sit down. I have ants in my pants. And then he gets frustrated because he's like, oh, you have to see it. I'm like, yeah, but I understand what's going on, or, you know. So he gets pissed. And I hate going to the movie theater. Steven? Can you do me a favor? Can you bring me the sparkling wine in the fridge? Yeah, and I hate going to the movie theater because I thought I snuck away from the kids. I'm going to tell you, my kids are glue sticks. They follow me everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, I love it, but sometimes, no. I swear to God, sometimes I just hide in my bathroom for 5 minutes, lock the door. But, like, even when I do that, they're, like, knocking at the door. Mom, can I come in? Like, why do you need to come into the bathroom with me? It's annoying. No, I love them. Don't get me wrong. And I love that my kids actually love to be around me. Yeah, don't put it in the camera, though. Okay. Oh. Here's my creepy son. Wait. Bring it back down. I niggled it. You want a bite of this pasta? Why, you don't like clams?
Where are you putting them?
What do you mean, where am I putting them?
Are you just leaving them in there?
Oh, these are empty, the shells. Yeah, I didn't want to get another dish. Can you just put... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay. You can put that back in the fridge. It's okay. That's fine. You don't have to close the door. So, anywho, what was I saying? That's fine. Just like that. It's okay. Thanks. Thanks, gorgeous. Yeah, I don't like going to the movie theater. At all. I used to be... the type that would just love to go to like Blockbuster and rent movies. My husband is so weird. I love him, but he's a weirdo sometimes. We will go somewhere and he likes to buy two of it. We can go to Costco and he'll see like, and he loves to buy stuff for the kitchen. It's so weird. He doesn't friggin' cook. He doesn't do anything, but he'll go and random buy like teacups. Like, we don't even drink tea. And then he'll buy like 2 sets of them. I'm like, he's not allowed to go shopping anymore by himself because I don't need it. I mean, sometimes it's convenient because he'll buy stuff and it's like, oh, you know what? I'll save it for this person's birthday or whatever. Because obviously we're not going to use 2. He always thinks that like, oh, you know, we could always, you never know, right? So I appreciate that, but it's funny. Like, over the years, I've had to say like, okay, no, don't buy 2. But he's a collector. Like, he loves to collect things. And I think this is why. I kind of think he's a hoarder. And it drives me nuts because I'm a minimalist. So, you know, when we were dating, every time we go on Blockbuster, anytime movies were on sale, we would buy them. And I would tell him, stop buying movies. Like, just stop it, because DVDs. And he's like, no, because like his dream thing, our dream is to own like a cottage up north and like retire there or like whatever. And he's like, you know, it would be so nice to just like collect these. And he likes to collect even like box sets. Like, we have Sopranos, the box set, Breaking Bad, like The Godfather, 007. He likes to collect everything. So I have so many DVDs that nobody uses. No, who uses DVDs? Like, you don't need this stuff now with like streaming and stuff. I mean, I guess it's nice to have, but it takes up space. And then when the kids were little, they used to like put the DVDs in and watch movies or whatever, and they would scratch them, and some of them don't even work. And I'm like, see, I feel like when you have kids, don't get yourself attached to anything when they're little. Kids destroy stuff. A couple of these clams didn't open. Buggers. I have more pasta downstairs, but I'm already full. Why don't you have wallpaper back there? I have a printing shop, and we can do removable wallpaper. I want to try and see if I can do that, but you know what my thing is with that? I don't have patience to put it up. This was so tasty. I'm sorry about the light, guys. Oh my God, chili pepper. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. So yeah, this is just let me know about the setup if you like this layout. Again, the lighting, I'm working on it, so that will be better. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video if you can. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you had a wonderful new year. And happy 2019. Love you. Bye.